Hi everyone. In the last presentation, we discussed about the concept of the strings. In that presentation, we discussed the main difference between the character array and character pointer. And also we discussed the various string functions like how to read the string by using getS and how to print the string by using putS. At the time of discussing this putS and getS, we have used the word unformatted input-output functions. In today's session, we will discuss elaborately what do you mean by the formatted input-output functions and unformatted input-output functions. Let us have the discussion on this. So we will differentiate what actually meant by the formatted and unformatted input-output functions. First, we discuss formatted. What is mean by formatted? See, when we talk about formatted input output functions, mainly we are talking about the first one is printf and second one is scanf. Formatted output statement is printf. This is output and this is the input statement. Already we have seen the syntax of the printf statement. We have written that the syntax of the printf statement looks like this printf, and we write the control string here, formatted string or control string comma. We have list of variables. So this is the syntax. So the meaning of formatted in the sense we are going to use the format specifiers like %d, %c, and %f. If we use the format specifiers to print something, then it is called the formatted output statement. When we try to read the formatted list of variables from the keyboard, we use scanf statement. So that's why we are saying that printf is the formatted output statement and scanf is the formatted input statement. So the syntax of the scanf statement is also same like what I said, scanf control string. Control string means formatted string, comma, list of variables. So in this case, list of variables consisting of the address operator, right? So we discussed already printf and scanf. So no need to specifically describe what actually printf and scanf. The only thing you have to remember is in formatted input output, we are using the format specifiers, right? And we can format the output, right, in your own way. If you want to print the output like this, the value of, we can say the value of a is %d, comma, here we can print the value of a. In double quotes, if you want to print your own message, after that to print the value, we can do it. But this is not possible in unformatted input output functions. This is the simple discussion about the formatted input output. And we know that these two functions are available in the header files stdio.h. That means standard input output header file. Now we are coming to unformatted input output. Okay, now under unformatted input output, we have so many functions. First one is getch, and second one you can write getche, and third one getchar. Okay, next we write getS. These are the input output, unformatted input. This is about input. Now coming to unformatted output, we have putch and we have putchar. And third one, we also use putS. GetS, putS we discussed in previous classes. See, to read a character, we use getch, and getche, and getchar. These three are used to read a single character. GetS is used to read a string. But in these input statements, we can't use any formatted data or format specifiers. Only they are going to read the characters. They are not going to read the integer. They are not going to read the float values. Only they read the character. The last one, getS, is used to read a string. Now, very, very important thing you have to remember here is getch and getche. E means echo. The word E stands for echo. Getch and getche, these two are available in conio.h. Very, very important. What is the header file? Console input output header file. Console input output header file, we call it as. Right? Now, what about the get character? Getchar is a function which is available in stdio.h. Please remember this. Now, what about getS? getS is also available in standard input output header file. I will explain the difference by writing the programs. Now, coming to the unformatted output, we have putch and put character. These two are used to print a character, only character. Okay, they are not going to print an integer and float value or anything else. Just they are going to print only character. We can't print a message that the character is some A. This is not possible. There is no formatted thing that is done in putch as well as getsh. And please remember, putch and put character, these two functions print a character, and these two functions are available in, see, first putch, right? Putch is available in putch is available in conio.h, whereas put character is available in stdio.h. Not only put char and puts. These two, the last two, putchar and puts, these functions are available in stdio.h. We will see by using the programming what is the difference between getch, getche, get character, right? After that, putch, put character. Already we have seen getS and puts. See, first I will explain what is mean by the getch. Already I said getch is used to read a character. Okay. And what is the second one? Here I am writing second one. Getche. This is also used to read a character. And third one, get character. This is also used to read a character. Then what is the difference? See, the difference here is, assume that this is the screen where you want to enter a character, and assume that in the programming you are saying that ch equals to getch. This is the function you are using. Already I said that this getch function is available in conio.h. We have included this header file. When you use the statement ch equals to getch, what happened at the execution time? Getch is waiting for a character to enter here. Assume that you have entered a key on the keyboard. Assume that this is the keyboard. On the keyboard, you have pressed A. When you press A, automatically that character A is read into ch, but the character that you pressed on the keyboard A is not displayed on the screen. Please remember this. Generally, whenever you press a character on the keyboard, instantly that character is displayed on the screen. But here, when you use the concept of getch, so it is waiting for the character to be given. But when you give a character, when you press a character on the keyboard A, this is not displayed on the screen. Automatically, without displaying on the screen, the character is read into the variable ch. And if you want to printf, for example, %c and ch, it is going to display the character A. The output we are going to get A. Okay. So getch reads a character without pressing enter key. See, generally whenever you press a character A, that is displayed on the screen, and once you press enter, then only it enters into the program. But this is not the case here. Whenever you press a character A, automatically it is read into the variable ch without displaying on the screen and without without pressing any enter key. That is very, very important. Now coming to get CHE, it is mostly similar to get CH. Here what I'm saying is same get CHE. But here the extra character here we are using is E. E means echo. See, just now I said that the character is not displayed on the screen, but here in getChe concept, echo, E stands for echo, means whenever you press A on the keyboard, that is displayed on the screen, and without pressing enter key, automatically it enters into the variable ch. That is the case of getChe. It don't require any enter key to be pressed, but the character that you typed is displayed on the screen and suddenly moved to ch. Now coming to the get character function, what is this? Ch equals to getchar. In this case, when you press the character A, it is displayed on the screen A, right? And it is waiting for the enter key to be pressed. Once you press enter key, then only the character A is read into ch. This is the main difference. So which one is most preferable? Getchar function is most preferable. Why? Because the character is displayed on the screen and it is waiting for the enter key to be pressed. So this is the main difference between getch and getche and getchar. And already I said that these two are available in conio.h, and the last one getchar is available in stdio.h. Now coming to the function putch, and another one is putchar. The functioning of these two are similar. But putch is available in conio.h, put character is available in stdio.h. Okay, and the putch function is not executed in all general operating systems. Putch is mainly preferable for MS-DOS, but the functioning of putch and put character is same. What is the functioning? It is going to display the character at a time, only one character, single character. So with this, we have completed the discussion about the formatted and unformatted input-output functions. Getters and putters already we have completed in yesterday's and the previous classes. Now we are going to see the program by using this unformatted input-output functions. Okay. Now we will see put character function. Next we will see one by one. After that we will go to the string functions. So let us go to the Visual Studio Code to use put. Now we will see the unformatted input-output functions. So let us go to Visual Studio Code. Now here go to new file and you write unformatted unf, just you say unf unformatted dot c. I'm writing like this. So here you write in comments program using unformatted IO functions, input output functions. That's what I'm saying here. Now you write hash include stdio.h, and also I'm including the header file hash include conio.h, console input output header file, console input output header file. Next we write integer main opening brace. Okay, here I'm taking the variable character ch. Okay, now I'm saying that ch equals to, just now I said the way the function first get ch, I'm using get ch. Next here I'm saying printf percent. So what I'm going to do is the character read by, I'm writing get ch, I'm writing like this, is percentage c, and here I'm writing the character variable ch. Okay, next I'm saying another function get che. Okay, now here, now I'm copying the printf statement here, and here you write control V. We will see the main difference here. Here it is get che, Okay, now I'm using another statement ch equals to getchar. Okay, now control V, the character read by, here I'm writing getchar and here you write ch. Last statement you say return 0. This is the program. So we will check what would be the output of this. What is the difference you observe? Control S and you run the program here, run it. Okay, now it is, see here, it is waiting. The cursor is there here. Now, for example, I'm pressing A. See, I pressed A. Here you got that the character read by getch is A. Okay, so you want to get the clear output. So here we have written slash n here that we remove here. Control X and here you have to write last. You have to write here also same thing you have to do here also. Okay, I'm removing this. So once again you save it and you execute this program. Just wait. Okay, now you run it. I'm running this. See here, it is waiting. It is not displaying anything. Means it is ready to read the character by using first one get ch, right? See here, I'm pressing A here, but A is not displayed there. But the character read by get ch is A. Okay, I have got the output. Now second time again I'm pressing A. You see, when you type A here, you observe this, the character read by, before the character read by get ch, you have printed A here. You see, here A is printed here. I think it is not visible, but here you see A is there. Okay, so this is about get che, means it echoes A and directly enter into the program and it is printing that the character read by get che is A. Now again it is waiting for the character, that is getchar. Here assume that I'm pressing A. The character read by get character is what we got, A. But the thing here you have to remember is, so every time we have pressed slash n slash n slash n, we do one thing. Just you remove this slash n. What happened? Slash n. Here also I'm removing the slash n. Now once you run this, so in printf every time, just before I'm writing slash n, here I'm writing slash n. Here also I'm writing slash n. Now you save it and once you run, I'm running this. Okay, it is waiting for the character. First I'm pressing A, it is not displayed. But in the next line we got the character read by get ch is A. Okay. Is A. Next it is waiting for the character. Next I pressed A printed there and it is saying that the character read by get ch is A. Next it is waiting for another character. Now A, and finally it is printing this. Now we will see a program to read character by character and to display the same characters, right, by using putchar. Let us go to Visual Studio Code, go to new file and you write putchar.c. I'm writing putchar.c. So here you write program to implement putchar. Putchar prints a character, right? At a time only one character. You write hash include stdio.h. Now what we are going to do, I'm writing integer main. Okay, you take any variable. So character variables can also be declared as integer variables. Why? Because character constants are going to take ASCII values, right? So here I'm writing integer ch. You can also take character ch, no problem. Integer ch. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a variable integer I. Now I'm using the for loop. For what I'm going to say is I'm saying I equals to in single quotes I'm writing a, capital A. Okay, I equals to capital A. Next I'm writing I is less than or equals to, in single quotes I'm writing z, and here I'm writing I plus plus. Right now after this I'm writing putchar. Here print I, and you write semicolon and you say return 0. So what is the output of this program? We will check it. First we will check errors. Any errors are there? Okay, check for the errors. Any error? No error. A B C D E F G H I, it has printed up to Z. Small z we have written. So here it is capital Z, capital Z. You have to write capital Z, right? Now save it and you run once again. You observe this. You observe the output A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L up to Z it has printed. So I will explain the output, how we got the output. See, here you can take character CH, no problem. Why? Because even though when you take character CH and if you say I equals to C, here A in single quotes, that is treated as a character constant and it is internally treated as integer value. Okay. Now first I equals to A. What is the ASCII value of A? Capital A equals to 65. Now it is checking the condition. 65 is less than or equals to ASCII value of Z. You know, capital A is 65 and 67 and 66, 67 like that. You count up to capital Z. I think it is 90 or 91, right? So 65 is less than or equals to 90, 91. Yes, the condition is true. Then it prints capital A. Next, it is incremented by 1. This becomes 66. 66 is less than or equals to 90. Then it is printing 66. So we are printing the 66 in character form, means the equal character of 66 is displayed here. Capital B next to C like that, right? Final value of I value becomes 90, that is Z. Z is less than or equal to Z equals to Z. Again, Z also printed here. So this is the way of printing the characters from uppercase A to uppercase Z. If you give small a, so we will get the small alphabets from small a to small z. So what I want to say is put character at a time going to print only one character. The character can also be defined as integer. Why? Because internally they are taking the ASCII values. So this is about the simple program to print the character, put character. Now after this, next what we are going to do. So how to find out the length of the given string? How to find out how many characters are there in a given string? So that we are going to see. Now I'm going to go for the new program, go to new file, and here you write length. I'm writing length, lenth dot c. How to find out the length of the string? Program to find the length of the string. Length of the string. Length of the string. Okay. Hash include stdio dot h. Next int main opening brace. Now you take the string character, any string variable you take maximum. I'm taking the size 20. Okay, s of 20, and you take the variables integer I, comma. You take a variable length equals to indirectly 0. So initialize length equals to 0. Why? Because at the initial state we don't know the length. Okay, now you say printf enter the string, okay, slash n double quotes close. Now how to read double quotes close. Now how to read a string with multiple words using scanf? I said scanf percentage in square brackets. What you have to use is caret symbol. You add the caret symbol here. Okay, what the caret symbol you take? Just wait. Caret symbol and you write slash n. Okay, and now after this right square bracket you write s, and here you read the name of the string. What is that? S, right? So this is the format specifier used to read a string with multiple words, right? Now after reading this string, what you do is you say for you say I equals to 0, I equals to 0, and now you say string of what is the string name? S, right? S of I equals to 0, for I equals 0 and S of I, and you write I plus plus and you say here print, and here you write you print the string and you also count it. Okay, you write one thing length plus plus. Okay, I'm printing printf length. I'm writing length is percentage d slash n. Here I'm writing the length value len. Okay, now last statement you write return 0. First we will check the errors, then we will see whether we are getting the correct output or not. Okay, now you compile it, run it, enter the string. Hello, how are you? Right? You see here. Hello, how are you? Length is 17. We got the output. You check H1, E2, 3, 4, 5, empty space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, empty space 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right, we got the correct length 17. How we got the length as 17? We have read the string with the multiple words and we got the length as 17. How we got? See, first we have declared the variable s of 20. Okay, so maximum size is 20. So the last character is automatically inserted is null character, and we are reading the string hello how are you by using this format specifier. Okay, now first we are starting from I equals to 0. Now we say s of 0, I equals 0, next s of 0. S of 0 means small h, first h. Hello, how are you, right? H. Okay, what is the h meaning here? It is taking the ASCII value of h, small h. ASCII value of small h is positive integer. Always remember that whenever we got the positive integer, the meaning is the condition is true. I said in the previous classes, non-zero means true, 0 means false. Very, very important. Here, the value of h is non-zero, so that's why the condition is true. Then length plus plus is executed. So previously we assumed length equals to 0. Now it plus plus means 1. It becomes 1. Next, I value is incremented by 1. So I becomes 1. Next, after becoming I value 1, now go for S of I. That means S of 1. S of 1 means second character E. Okay, E means it's having its own ASCII value that is again non-zero. Then length is incremented 2. Like that, it is going on repeating the length value. Last value of S of 5 becomes what is the hello, how are you? After the letter U, automatically there is a null character that is stored in the array, and it is going to take that null character S of I. What is the ASCII value of null character? 0. Very, very important. S of I, which represents the null character, the ASCII value is 0. When the ASCII value is 0, it becomes the condition is true. Sorry, false. When it becomes 0, the condition becomes false. Then the length plus statement is not executed and the control is passed to printf. Here it is printing the length is 17. So simply remember that in place of SI, whenever we get non-zero, it becomes true. The condition is true. Whenever we got the null value whose ASCII value is 0, the condition becomes false, and this statement length plus plus is terminated, and it is going to print the statement with the length. So this is about the simple way to find out the length of the string without using any string functions. So in the coming classes, we will use string functions, and so that you can understand in more detail how to implement the string functions. With this, I'm going to close the session. Thank you for watching.